This is the Nova drone flute, and it's in the key of A minor. And this particular case is made out of poplar. Poplar is an interesting wood. It grows in very moist areas, like by lakes and creeks and streams, and it's a very prolific wood. But it also has a beautiful color, and it's hard to tell. It has a greenish, sometimes it has greenish colors going through, kind of greenish tint. So, and not all of them have that. I kind of appreciate nature's art because it's so diverse. Some have some green, it's a very subtle green, like this particular one does not have a lot of green in it, but it's a beautiful amber color. And it is a drone flute, so it has two mouthpieces, one for the melody side and one for the drone side. So you can play single or double. And that's what it sounds like. I want to make sure that you know that when we play this, we don't use any sound enhancements like reverb or anything else. It's just its natural voice. Here's his voice.